Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Englishvish. I am very happy you are here today. Really happy. Before we start, take one slow breath. Just breathe in. And breathe out. Good. You are safe here. You are not late. You are not weak. You are learning. Today, I want to tell you a small story. A very simple story. This story can change your English. But only if you stay till the end. Not because this video is magic. But because you are ready now. A small story about you. Let me guess something. You understand English. You watch English videos. You listen to English songs. But when you try to speak, your mind becomes empty. Words hide. Your voice feels slow. Your heart feels heavy. And you think, why is English so hard for me? My friend, you are not alone. Many people feel this way. Good people. Smart people. Hardworking people. They just practice in the wrong way. The problem is not your English. Please listen carefully. Your English is not bad. Your memory is not weak. Your brain is not slow. The problem is fear. Fear of mistake. Fear of sound. Fear of judgment. So today, we will not study English. Today, we will feel English. Softly. Slowly. Kindly. The simple challenge. Now I want to tell you the challenge. It is very small. Very easy. Only 5 minutes. Yes. Just 5 minutes a day. But please listen. Not fast. Not in hurry. If you can finish this practice daily, your English will slowly change. Not today. Not tomorrow. But one day, you will feel it. And you will smile. Step 1, sit with English. First thing. Sit comfortably. On your bed. On your chair. Anywhere you like. No book. No pen. No pressure. Just sit. Open one simple English audio. Or this video. Or any English story you like. Volume low. Very soft. Do not understand every word. That is okay. Just listen. Like music. Let English enter your ears. Not your brain. Step 2, whisper one line. Now listen to one small sentence. For example, today is a good day. Pause. Now whisper it. Very softly. Not loud. No tension. Just whisper. Today is a good day. Do not worry about accent. Do not worry about grammar. Just sound. Sound is more important than rules. Step 3, smile while speaking. This is very important. Please smile. Yes, smile. When you smile, your body feels safe. When your body feels safe, your voice becomes free. Say the same line again. Today is a good day. Feel the words. Feel the air. English is not an exam. English is a sound. Step 4, talk to yourself. Now say one true thing. Very small. For example, I am learning English. I am trying my best. I am not afraid now. Say it slowly. Nobody is watching. Nobody is judging. This moment is only for you. A real life feeling. Let me tell you something personal. Many English learners stop. Not because they cannot learn, but because they feel alone. They think, everyone is better than me. But my friend, everyone starts somewhere. Even fluent speakers were beginners once. They were also scared. They also made mistakes. But they continued. Small daily habits that help. Here are some soft habits. No pressure. Listen to English music at night. Even if you do not understand. Watch one short English video daily. No subtitles sometimes. Talk to yourself while walking. Just one line. Rest your mind. Do not force. English grows in a calm mind. English is not speed. Please remember this. English is not about speed. English is about comfort. Slow English is good English. Clear English is better than fast English. You are doing enough. If today you speak one sentence, you are doing enough. If today you listen quietly, you are doing enough. If today you just try, you are doing enough. Learning is not loud. Learning is silent. A gentle promise. If you finish this small practice daily, just 5 minutes, one day, your mouth will open easily. Words will come. Not perfect, but real. And that is enough. If this video made you feel calm, please like it. If you feel safe here, write one small comment. And if you want daily English support, subscribe to Englishvish. We grow slowly. Together. Before you go, remember this. Small daily practice is enough. Learning takes time. And you are doing well.